Good morning children. I hope class 10th children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As every day important questions are being sent in the series, today we have taken again from arithmetic progression one very important question, and your question is question number 19. Yasmin saves rupees 32 during the first month, rupees 36 in the second month and rupees 40 in the third month. If she continues to save in this manner, in how many months will she save rupees 2000? So easy question it is. So just you see how it will be solved. Here you see this AP has been given, where you can assume A is equal to 32 and D will be 36 minus 32 and that will be 4, and you need to find out in how many months she will save 2000 rupees. It means you need to find out number of months. So just you see, let the required numbers of month be n. We will assume the required number of month will be n, and here you see according to question A we have got 32, D we have got 36 minus 32, it means 4, and Sn the number of months is n, so Sn will be 2000 because then we are means she will save 2000 rupees. So Sn we have been given 2000. Now therefore we have formula, the same old formula we have, Sn is equal to n by 2 and 2a plus n minus 1 d. So here Sn has been given, Sn is 2000 rupees, n we don't know, a has been given, and d we have found out 4. So the same thing is required to be done, all the values are required to be put in formula. So just you see, we have put n by 2 into 2 into 32 plus n minus 1 4, and that is equal to 2000. 2 into 32 64 has been written, 4 into n minus 1 4n minus 4, and then you see n has been multiplied with this term, so we have got 64n plus 4n square minus 4n, and that is equal to 4000. Or it can be written as 4n square, 64n minus 4n will be 60n, and it minus 4000, that will be equal to 0. Now 4n square plus 60n minus 4000 is equal to 0. We have got 4 can be taken out common, so that we will get n square plus 15n minus 1000 is equal to 0. Now we need to factorize this. Middle term we have 15n, so we can write 40n minus 25n. Otherwise you can use formula, quadratic formula you can use, and d can be found out. D is equal to b square minus 4ac, and then x can be found out, that also you can do. Otherwise finally if you know factorization method, it can be factorized. So by factorization method we have done 40n minus 25n we have written, n can be taken out common, so we will be getting n plus 40, and here minus 25 will be common and we will get n plus 40. Now n plus 40 and n minus 25, two factors we have got, and product is 0. So either n plus 40 will be 0 or n minus 25 will be 0. When n plus 40 will be 0, n we will get minus 40, and when n minus 25 will be 0, then n will be 25. Since minus 40 is negative, number of terms cannot be negative, and that's why minus 40 will not be considered, and we will consider 25. This minus 40 will not be considered, we will consider 25. So number of months will be 25, and this will be your answer. So I hope you understood this question. Similar question you need to find out, and from arithmetic progression whatever questions have been sent as important question, I don't think any problem you will be having. If you have problem, watch again and again, practice again and again, find out similar questions, do practice. I hope you will not be having any problem. Next day we will see next question. Until then, thank you.